Hi artists! In this video, you will learn how to create layers in Canvas. Start by creating a new drawing. Click the blue button in the top left corner. Now you have a fresh canvas. In the top right corner, you will see a square. Click the square. These are your layers. If you click the paint can, you can change the background color of your canvas. I'm going to select yellow today. Next, you can make a mark using any of the tools. I'm going to choose the marker tool. If you click the layer button again, you'll notice your drawing shows up in the layers. If you click the plus button, you can add a second layer. You'll know which layer you're in because it will be highlighted in a light gray. I'm selected in my new layer. Now I'm going to color in my shape. I'm going to change the color of my tool and the size. You'll notice my color is overlapping my original line. I can choose to leave it that way, or I can go back to my layers, select the layer I want on top, click and drag that layer to the top. This is similar to overlapping paper. You'll notice now that my original line is over top the area that I colored. Let's see it again. Now I'm clicking and dragging my layer to the top of my toolbar. Ta-da! If you want to add designs to your drawing using the eraser tool, you can select the layer that you want to create the design in. I'm going to select the purple area that I colored. Then I'm going to come to my eraser tool and I'm going to start taking away some of the color I added. Notice when I go over this area, I'm not erasing that black line. That's because I'm selected in this layer. So I can draw freely without worrying about making a mark on that black line. Lastly, you can hide and erase layers in Canvas. Click the layer button. You'll notice an eye icon that lets you take away or hide the layer, and a trash icon. This lets you delete or erase a layer. If you accidentally delete something, you can click the undo button in the top center and your layer will come back. I hope you have fun exploring layers in Canvas.